Hello guys, welcome to our basic software channel. We are here to learn some basic tools of PPT. So today we are going to learn about new slide with different layout and the font style, text effects and text theme and how to use bullets. So here is the option of new slide from where we can get different layouts like title slide, title and content, section head, to contain comparison and etc. Title slide are basically used by official document where we can use a big heading. Title and content we are using presently. And there is a section header to contain and comparison. Comparison is used when we want to compare between two objects. There are three more options were there. Duplicate selected slides, slides from outline, reuse slides. There is a layout option is also there which shows same layouts which present in new slide. Title and content, section header to content, comparison, blank as well as content with captions too. So now I'm just creating a new slide and one more slide which is comparison layout. We can use comparison layout when we want to differentiate between two objects or two things. We can add pie chart, tabular data, smart art in this too. Now heading over to the next topic, text style or text effects. So I'm just writing here my channel name to show you how the text effect works. Now select your text and you can see a drawing tool floating above. Click on format option. You can see a word art style option is there. Click on it. Now select the style which you want to add in your text. So I'm just thinking to add a blue text effect. Select your text and you can see a text effect option is there. Click on it. There is a lot of options there: shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation and transform. So let's see how the text effect works. The first one is shadow. You can see different shades as it visible in the screen. Now I'm heading over to the reflection part. Here you can select the reflection which you want to add. The next one is glow part. There's a lot of color present there. Now going to bevel part. Bevel part, it shows 3D effects. I'm selecting this. Now I'm going to the 3D rotation part. There is a lot of option: parallel option, perspective option, oblique option. So I'm not want to choose any of them. So let's jump on transform option. There's a lot of options there. I'm choosing the first one. So if you want to make it more curvy look, just delete the text box below and give it a more space so it make a full curve. Let's go back to the normal text style by simply selecting the text and going to the text effect. Now if you want to change the text fill, we can select from here. There is option of text fill. You can choose the color which you want to add. If you are not satisfied with the colors, you can choose more fill colors from where you can choose different shade of color. So I just selected pink to purple shade as a text fill. Now selecting text outline. Let's select dark blue color. So we are done with the text effects, text outline, text fill. Now heading over to the bullet part, how to use bullet and how to change its color. Now click on bullets and numbering from where we can change the color of bullet. Let's select the bullet and click on the color petal where we can change the color. If you want to change the bullet to the number or a alphabet, but just click on this. So today we learn about how to add new slide according to its layout, how to use font style, and how to use text effects, text theme, bullets. Thank you for watching. For more updates regarding software, stay tuned with basic softwares. Please subscribe and press the bell icon.